Are you in the market for a versatile, large, and healthy non-stick skillet that's perfect for all your cooking needs? Look no further than this Sensarte Nonstick Frying Pan Skillet with lid. With a spacious 12-inch diameter and 5-quart capacity, this skillet combines durability with advanced non-stick technology, ensuring every meal cooks smoothly and easily. This review breaks down the top features, advantages, and unique qualities of this skillet, helping you make an informed decision. Keep reading to discover why the Sensarte skillet is a must-have addition to your kitchen. Key features that make the Sensarte skillet stand out. 1. Health-conscious design. The Sensarte skillet's non-stick coating is SGS-approved and made from Switzerland ILAG materials, guaranteeing it's free from harmful substances like PFOA, PFOS, lead, and cadmium. Not only does this mean your meals will cook evenly, but they'll also be safe for your family and friends. 2. Outstanding non-stick surface. Say goodbye to food sticking to your pan. The non-stick coating on this skillet allows food to slide off effortlessly, making cooking less stressful. With only a little oil needed, you can prepare healthy, low-fat dishes without sacrificing taste or convenience. 3. Induction ready and compatible with all stovetops. Constructed from heavy-duty cast aluminum, the Sensarte frying pan is compatible with all stovetops, including induction. Its durable base heats quickly and evenly, saving you time and energy while cooking. 4. Heat-resistant handle with wood grain design. The ergonomic, heat-resistant Bakelite handle with a unique wood grain design provides comfort and safety, staying cool to the touch even while cooking. This handle adds a touch of elegance while ensuring secure handling. 5. Tempered glass lid for versatile cooking. The tempered glass lid is explosion-proof and offers clear visibility, allowing you to monitor your cooking without losing moisture or flavor. This lid is especially useful when simmering or braising dishes. 6. Easy to clean, built to last. Sensarte's non-stick surface is simple to clean, even after preparing sticky or saucy meals. Its seamless construction, without rivets, means there are no nooks for food to hide, making it even easier to clean by hand. Benefits of using the Sensarte nonstick skillet. 1. Versatile cooking abilities. The Sensarte skillet isn't just a frying pan. Its deep design and large capacity make it suitable for sautéing, stir-frying, searing, boiling, simmering, blanching, braising, deep frying, and stewing. With this one pan, you can cook a variety of dishes, from breakfast omelets to evening stir-fried vegetables. 2. Eco-friendly and non-toxic cooking. Health-conscious cooks will love knowing that the Sensarte pan is designed with non-toxic materials. Cooking with this skillet gives you peace of mind that no harmful chemicals are leaching into your food, even at high temperatures. 3. Fast and even heat distribution. The induction-compatible base heats up evenly, so your dishes cook consistently without hot spots. This results in perfectly cooked meals every time, whether you're frying eggs or simmering sauces. 4. Space-saving design. The deep structure of the Sensarte frying pan allows it to accommodate larger portions without taking up much counter space. It's ideal for preparing family-sized portions or one-pot meals. 5. Durable and long-lasting quality. Built from sturdy materials, the Sensarte skillet is designed to withstand the demands of daily cooking. It's a solid investment for anyone looking to upgrade their cookware collection. What users are saying. Real-life impressions. Many users rave about the Sensarte skillet's ease of use and functionality. Here's what some reviewers have shared. Ease of cleaning. It takes just a few seconds to clean this pan. The non-stick surface is so effective that nothing sticks, even after cooking meat or sauces. Efficient cooking. I love how evenly this skillet heats. My food cooks faster and is more evenly browned. Elegant design. The wood grain handle adds a nice aesthetic to my kitchen, and it's comfortable to hold too. Possible considerations. While the Sensarte skillet has a wealth of positive features, there are a few considerations. Hand washing recommended. Although this pan is easy to clean, it's recommended to wash by hand to maintain its non-stick surface for a longer time. Heavier design. Due to its cast aluminum construction, it may feel slightly heavier than traditional skillets. However, this weight contributes to its durability and quality. Why Sensarte nonstick frying pan is worth the investment. The Sensarte 12-inch nonstick frying pan offers high-end quality at a competitive price point. Its multifunctional use, Non-toxic materials, ergonomic design, and easy clean features make it ideal for everyday cooks and culinary enthusiasts alike. With a lifetime warranty included, you can trust that Sensarte stands by the quality and durability of their product. In conclusion, the Sensarte 12-inch non-stick frying pan skillet stands out as a versatile, health-conscious, and durable kitchen essential. Its high-quality non-stick coating, toxin-free construction, and compatibility with all stovetops make it a reliable choice for daily cooking needs. Whether you're making low-fat meals or experimenting with new recipes, this skillet offers convenience, consistent performance, and easy cleanup. For those looking to invest in cookware that combines safety, style, and efficiency, the Sensarte frying pan is an excellent option that adds value to any kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.